Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Do your falsies actually end up looking really fake? The whole point of using false lashes is to keep them guessing. And trust me, it's not that difficult. All it needs is a steady hand and these useful tips to make your lash game strong. Trim your lashes according to the size of your lash line, starting from the outside edge. Curl your natural lashes and apply a bit of mascara so the false lashes can drip on easily. Don't apply false lashes without trimming them to the length of your lash line. If you have them hanging over, they'll pull your eyes down. Do apply a small amount of glue on the lash band and a little more on the ends. You can use clear glue because it's easy and it works with all colors. Don't apply too much glue on the band. The excessive glue can get inside your eye and cause irritation. Do let the glue get a little sticky before applying and press the ends to set them in place. Don't apply the lashes immediately after applying the glue. Fresh glue is slippery and the lashes will just slide around and not stay put. Use your tweezer to place the lashes properly and make sure you stick the false lashes right over your natural lash line. Don't apply the lash hastily without adjusting it. You'll end up placing it unevenly and way above your natural lash line. Apply a little mascara to make your lashes stick to the false ones. Don't just leave it after applying. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And before I sign off, I need to tell you about the POPxo shop. We have amazing phone covers, cushion covers, laptop sleeves, mugs and what not. So make sure you go check that out in the link in the description box below. And for more makeup tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye.